Hello, I'm Bob Burick with the Emergency Management Office. I'm the Emergency Operations Manager in the Louisville District. Today we're happy to be doing our first in-person flood fight training for the last 2 years. We've done some virtual trainings, but it's not quite the same as when you can get your hands on with some of the equipment and demonstrate some of the capabilities of the Louisville District flood fight teams. This morning we started off with some presentations in our EOC, did a couple of PowerPoint presentations and some videos about the core authority, our ability to respond to disaster events, and some of our techniques and materials that we have and we're able to provide to some of the local communities and sponsors to help them really supplement their efforts to respond to flood fight events. So this afternoon, after a pause for lunch, we're all meeting out here at our warehouse where we keep some of our flood fight materials and we store our automated sandbag machine. We're going to have the team come out here and we're going to go over use of the automated sandbag machine here, and this really helps just as a force multiplier for our capability to crank out a lot of sandbags to help that community as quick as possible, not only to get them up to speed for the materials that they need for their flood fight, but to produce as many sandbags as we can for that community and then move downriver to help the next group, and so on and so forth. The group that we have today with us is a lot of engineers from different divisions up there in the geotechnical branch. We have some levee safety folks, some H&H, and some dam safety personnel. They are really our technical experts for flood fight. So be able to come out here and see what kind of materials and what kind of options we can present to those communities. Those flood fighters will be able to go out into the field and not only provide their engineering expertise, but then also relay the other capabilities that we have as the Corps of Engineers to bring materials to help those communities and to supplement their efforts.